Brand new 2025 Range Rover Sport isn't going anywhere. System's active, it's got a Halo Mini, we've got no lights on the gearbox. Even though the engine's running, we're not able to select a gear at all. So we have a unique code, we receive a flash on the dash, the lights come back on the gear selector, and it allows us to select a gear and drive away. When we turn the vehicle off, the system will activate more or less straight away, confirm for double flash. And then if a thief grabbed your key, done a relay attack, you remote started it and they tried to steal it, the vehicle's going nowhere without your unique code. So we pop that in, receive the flash, gearbox lights up, and we can drive away. This is a brand new 2025 Range Rover Sport protected with Halo Mini by us at Immobiliser Fit. Give us a call on 0208 212 7393. If you see any other products of ours that you like and you've seen it at a better price, give us a call, drop us an email, we do a price match and we'll beat any quote from a reputable company. Once again, this is the Halo Mini on a Range Rover Sport. It's still running, so we're able to drive it. When we turn it off, it activates. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.